Alright, 'tis the season. This is the Kyosho Blizzard. Gonna lower this down. And usually, like it just enough to skim the ground without having to press on that. See if we can get the whole driveway going. This is a 2S Lipo. Keeps the momentum going here. Good enough. I have burned through a few motors on this thing. And usually I'll do this from the living room. Raise that up a little bit. And we'll do multiple passes. Oh boy, it seems to be really wobbling all over the place. Let's see what's going on here. It's like a little snow built up on one of the rings there. Check the other side. Oh yeah, that's the issue. There's snow building up on these tracks. Starting to make it bounce. Ooh, those motors are hot.
So not only was there snow buildup, but one of the chains actually came off of the little track that it went on. So I had to fix that up and we're good to go. So this was the next day after all the snow fell. We had about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches of snow. You can see it kind of goes over some spots that were a little bit heavier. I raised up the plow in the front just a little bit so it wouldn't get stuck like it's doing here. You kind of just go over the same spot a couple different times. Again, this isn't really meant to plow your entire driveway. It's a little bit of novelty, a little bit of function, but it's plenty fun, and it definitely turns heads. Last year, I actually drove it across the street while we were all inside, and the neighbor had a good laugh as I wrote hi on their driveway for him. So definitely a fun little vehicle here. If you can pick up a Kyosho Blizzard locally at your hobby shop or online, they're plenty of fun. They actually make a metal set of tracks for it. I believe it's little bit under $200 for the metal tracks. Kind of expensive, but I haven't seen anybody run them yet. I hear they do help quite a bit. There are actually a couple guys down at RC Madness that have a couple of these. One of them has the metal tracks. The other one has his plow reversed on the back side of it, and he was able to add a directional servo to the actual plow, which is pretty cool. So leave a comment down below. Do you have a Kyosho Blizzard, or are you just a fan of one and have been thinking about getting one? Now's the season to do it. I might even try and bring this thing to the beach and maybe plow some sand with it. It does climb over stuff very well with the tracks. If you just raise up the plow all the way, you should have no problem getting over snowbanks and stuff like that. So a really fun vehicle. That's all for this video. Thanks again for watching, and we'll have more videos coming soon. Peace.